Hello guys, I'm Abu, and in this tutorial I will show you how to bypass link from datanodes.com and efforts.com. I have added timestamp in the video description to help you navigate through the steps. I will go through a simple step-by-step procedure to bypass the link. So you can easily download the file using any download manager on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you have Python installed on your PC, which is very essential for bypassing the link of this website. If you already have Python installed, feel free to skip to the next timestamp. Now, we can download Python using the link provided in the description. Make sure to download the version that matches your system specification. We can also click the download Python, which will suggest you suitable version for your device. In my case, it suggests me AMD64. Don't forget to check the Python to path when it's installation. I have already installed the Python, so it's showing me to modify. If you want to check if the installation is successful or not, open command prompt and run it as administrator. Type Python bar version. In my case, it shows Python 3.11.7, which is installed in my computer previously. Once Python is installed, the next step is to download the bypass script. I have provided a link to the GitHub post from the original creator of the script. You can directly download it from the GitHub. Additionally, you can use the direct Google Drive link, which is also provided in the description. I have already downloaded the script, so just need to extract and download. After extracting, you will see two files. First, you need to run install dependency as administrator. It will show you Windows Protector your PC, but it is not a virus. Click more info and will run anyway. You will install a required Python library on your computer, which is required to run the gen.py. This is the one-time process. After this, file will be disappeared. This is the main script for bypassing the link. Currently, the only supported hosts are datanodes.com and efforts.com. So make sure the links you are bypassing are from these websites only. So I have already copied a link. Create a file called links.txt and paste the link you want to the downloadable file. It is important that the links.txt file and the Python script should be in the same folder. Now, all the files required to bypass is installed and set to the folder. When you run the gen.py script, it will automatically bypass the links one by one and generate a new file with the direct download link. Then you can use these links in any download manager of your choice. This Python script makes downloading files from datanode.com and efforts.com super easy. If you want me to make a dedicated video on how to use the download manager, drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, feel free to leave any questions or correction in this comment. See you in the next video. Have fun and enjoy.